Hi guys, welcome to our channel VBA Coder. If you are new to the channel, then please to like, share and subscribe to our channel VBA Coder. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a stacked area chart in VBA Excel. To create this type of chart, we require the data as shown on the screen. As you can see, this is the sample data which I have created in Excel to demonstrate how to create area stacked chart in VBA Excel. So first we will be seeing the output, and then we will be having a deep understanding and the codes which has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started with our output. So this is the macro button which I have already assigned a VBA code which I have written to create the stacked area chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see what all codes has to be written to create this type of amazing stacked area chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and inside which we have created a stacked area chart sub procedure, and this is the entire code which we are going to use in this video to create a stacked area chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So the first step always we are going to take is we are going to select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see, this is our data and I have selected a single cell inside it. Once you have selected a single cell inside your data, what we are going to do is in the next line we are going to type this line of code which says active sheet.shapes dot add chart 2, and inside the brackets we are going to give some parameters which will help us to create this amazing stacked area chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see what are these parameters are. The first parameter which we are going to give is the chart value. So for each and every chart we have the chart value, and for our video we have given the chart value as 2. Once you have given this, remember we are going to separate each and every parameter by a comma. So after that we are going to give the what type of chart we are trying to create. So on the type of chart which we are going to create in this video is Excel area stacked. So this is the chart type which we are going to create in this video, so that we can demonstrate our data in a area stacked chart. So this is the chart type. Once you have given your chart type, what we are going to do is we are going to set the height, width, left and top parameters to position and size our chart inside Excel. Once we have given these parameters, we are going to close the bracket over here, and outside the bracket we are going to type dot select. Once you have written this line of code, then your chart will be created, but wait, your chart will be created but it won't be in a presentable manner. So if you want to make your chart more presentable, and you have to have a chart title, your legends on top, you have to remove your grid lines and show the data label as well as the data table over here. So To set the elements or do all these operations, we are going to use this with statement, which is the simplest one. And let's see what this with statement do. So after creating the chart, we are going to use a with statement, and by typing it, after that we are going to type active chart. So the code is with active chart, and below that what we are going to do is the first line of code after this, after writing with active chart, we are going to type our chart title. So to set our chart title, we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to then our name of our chart title. For this video, I have kept my chart title as stacked area chart in VBA Excel. You can modify this title as per your convenience. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to set the legends on top. As you can see, these are my legends, and these are placed on the top of my chart. So to do this, what we are going to do is we are going to set the element by typing dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element legend top. Once you have given this, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the grid lines from our chart. As you can see that there are no grid lines inside a chart. So to remove the grid lines from our chart, we are going to type in the next line dot set element, and inside the brackets what we are going to type is MSO element primary value grid lines none. Once you have given this line of code, your grid lines will be removed from your chart. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to show the data labels. As you can see, each and every data has been labeled inside our stacked area chart in VBA Excel. So to do this, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element data label show. So once you have written this line of code, your data labels will be shown over here. Now let's see how we can create this data table inside our chart. So to create a data table inside our stacked area chart, we are going to type in the next line that dot set element, and inside the bracket we are going to give MSO element data table show. So once you have written this line of code, your data table will be created. Now let's say what if you want the legends as well inside your data table. So as you can see, the legends are over here, and if you want to place your legends as well with your data table, then you can write another line of code, or directly you can write this line of code by just saying dot set element, and inside the brackets what you can give is MSO element data table show with legend keys. So once you have written this line of code, your legend keys will also appear inside your table. Now let's run this code. So as you can see that after running this line of code, we can able to see the legends as well inside our data table. So this is the code in which you can also keep the legends inside your table. Now as you can see, all our data points are labeled. So what I believe is, to make this chart more presentable, we are going to remove the chart axis, or you can say the value axis inside a chart. To delete the value axis inside a chart, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot axis, and inside the brackets we are going to type Excel value, and outside the bracket we are going to type dot delete. So once you have given this line of code, your value axis will be deleted automatically. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to end the with statement using the end with below this. And if you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a stacked area chart in VBA Excel. And as you can see that we have selected our chart in the start of the start of our video. So to deselect our chart, we are going to select any empty cell inside our worksheet. So I have selected F4 as my empty cell, and that's all for this video. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. And for more such videos, please do visit our channel page BPO Coder. And if you have any doubts or suggestions, then please do comment in the comment box. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.